Just paid $34 a bag for this dog food, and it's a smoking deal. Chores is a really good brand of dog food, and I found it in a resale store where I was looking for stuff to buy for my new house. Well, I rolled over the bags, looked at the fat and protein percentage, perfect amount for the sled dogs, so I told them I'd take it all. Couldn't beat this price, so now I have a few months worth of food. Back at the farm, and I just realized I never did an update on the calf whose poop I tested. He did not have parasites, and the vet couldn't find anything wrong with him. We decided to send him to the livestock auction because he's not something we are looking to retain in our herd. We have way too many bull calves, and we're actually looking to move out our current bull because he's kind of served his purpose, and we want to keep his heifers. So next year we need a different sire to our herd. That's him, Smoking Chrome. He's a really, really nice guy. Very friendly. What's that, buddy? He's just a nice guy. He's so chill. And just the prettiest color. So this is our cow's summer pasture. I had them cooped up in a smaller pen, letting this grow up before we put them on it. But they're now fully moved out into their summer home with lots of grass to eat. And these are all the cows that are of breeding age. The babies are in a separate pasture. There he is. Off to your new home, buddy. I'm headed out to take the calf to the livestock auction. This is my first time dropping anything off at an auction, but I guess we just pull in and drop off in the skate. Well, I'm on to the next thing. So I'm going to be cleaning out. When it rains, it gets pretty mucky in here, so I'm going to scrape this top layer off with this little tractor and put some fresh sand down, and hopefully that'll help it drain better. Storm, you need to get out. Second run in that we have. This one's significantly more mucky and gross than the other one, so I'm gonna get it all scraped out and looking good. I'm getting her all scraped out, and then I'm gonna dump this nasty dirt. We are about done with the run-in. I tried to re-level it so this end is a little bit higher than this, so when water does seep in here, it runs off. When they pee in here, it runs off. Added some gravel to help wear down their feet when they're in here eating, and we're pretty much done with this for today. I just got home, and now I'm gonna unload my 20 bags of dog food. Check out my backup job, and they're going in this storage shed. I'm tired. Well, my dog food's all stacked. So I'm gonna go take care of my dogs, and it's getting a bit dark, so I'm not gonna film that. But I'll be back at the farm tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get to do a more dog-oriented video soon.